everyone. Good evening. So let me just take very quickly to introduce Aeris, and then we'll go through a demo and finally go through what helped us create that demo. So Aeris, our goal is to take companies on a journey from unconnected products to connected applications. That's what we focus on. Every day, we take companies and customers who have multiple types of solutions that they want to come up with and connect and provide an IoT end-to-end solution. Our company focuses on 3 areas of IoT. First, enterprise connectivity as a service, which is called CaaS. Second, end-to-end IoT platform as a service, PaaS. And finally, cloud-based IoT applications. Now, we don't provide all the applications, but we have developed some application in-house, whereas our customers are developing most of these applications leveraging our platform. So who are our customers? If you look at it, our customers are focused in all areas of IoT: healthcare, automotive, telematics, utilities, monitoring and control, and other point of sale, EV charging, et cetera, smart city. Those are all the applications that our customers focus on. Now, as you can see, we have a lot of customers, and they have developed many of the applications that are very critical and important in managing their diverse connected devices. So to give you guys a better idea of what Aeris does, I thought I'll take the risk of doing a live demo in the Battle of Platforms. So the demo that I have is focused on smart refrigeration. Now, just to give you guys a very quick background about this demo, when we had developed our platform, we wanted to create a solution that we can ourselves test and make sure that our customers can leverage this effectively. So we gave the challenge to 2 of our engineers to develop this demo in the shortest possible time. So in this demo, 2 engineers spent about 2 weeks. They got basically sensors from the internet. We actually went on Amazon and Fry's and bought the equipment. We bought a refrigerator rest right here. And we connected it and also developed the interface for this solution within a matter of 2 weeks. That shows the power of Aeris platform. And this solution has Aeris connectivity. That means it has the Aeris SIM card. We were able to get the board from Multitac, which provides basically a board that helps us connect the sensor, and it also has the cellular connectivity board in it. So going through the demo here very quickly, basically on the left-hand side is a dashboard that has this refrigerator's key sensors integrated into it. So the sensors that are integrated in this are power. Whether it determines whether the power is on or off. It also determines whether the door is open. I just opened the door. And you guys saw how quickly the door sensor there determined that the door is open and showed that basically determined that. And you can see the blue line there. Second, we also have a compressor. Right now, the compressor is on. I can feel it. And it is telling me that the compressor is on. And also, it's measuring the temperature. Now, there are also alerts that are integrated into this. Now, if I take a couple of cans out of this refrigerator live, my stock level should drop from because I took some of the cans out. So you can see the stock level dropped to refill. And if I take more cans out, it will drop to empty. Now, what does this solution use from Aeris platform? So this solution is based on our Air Cloud, our full stack of solution. So that's the Aeris full stack. Now, if you look at this, at the bottom is Airport. Airport is our cellular connectivity platform. We provide not only our connectivity, but also a platform to manage that connectivity. We also enable enterprise customer operators to leverage that connectivity platform so they can bring in someone else's connectivity. It doesn't have to be Aeris connectivity. So that's why we also support alternative connectivity. Air Cloud. Air Cloud is a platform for managing, basically ingesting the sensor data, and then managing that data, setting up alerts, and managing the subscription of that data to other applications. On top of Air Cloud, we have Air Voice. Air Voice is our analytics platform. As you guys know, just having a connectivity or a platform for ingesting sensor data isn't enough nowadays. You have to have a platform that determines how to analyze that data very effectively. And on top of this, we have developed Aeris APIs. Now, Aeris APIs enables our customer to bring in alternative business services and also other social media, storage, and analytics. So if somebody doesn't like our analytics, they are free to choose another analytics service. Or if they are relying on another analytics service and their developers are well aware of that, they can bring that analytics service. So it doesn't have to be dependent on us. And if they want storage, someone else's storage, they just want the data ingestion from us, but the data gets stored somewhere else, they are welcome to do that. App Express. So App Express is a web components-based structure that enables our customers to develop IoT web components. You must have heard of Google Polymer. That's based on developing a web application using web components. We have basically extended that for IoT. And on top, we have our own telematics platform. Our telematics platform enables automotive companies to embed basically software in the head unit so that they can control the engine, and at the same time, it provides the customer the ability to manage their automotive remotely. So this is very important that we have a whole stack of solution, but at the same time, we don't tie our customers to leveraging the full stack. They have the freedom to bring in the components that they want and develop applications on top of it. The refrigerator solution that you saw leverages every component in this platform. It leverages airport, our connectivity, so we were able to just embed a SIM card into the board here and easily able to basically bring that, connect that all the sensors through that device into Air Cloud. The devices had to be programmed so that they can send the data into Air Cloud. Air Cloud, as I said, is our data ingestion platform. And then it uses Air Voice, which is our analytics platform. Air Voice helps determine when there needs to be alerts coming from the refrigerator, when the stock level is getting low. We have embedded at the back 2 proximity sensors. Proximity sensors are basically determining the distance to the cans and using that. Somebody else could have used another method, weight sensor or something else. It doesn't have to be these sensors. And we have taken one sensor, which is the power sensor, to determine 2 things, whether the power is on or whether the compressor is on. Because when your compressor is going to be on, it's going to draw more power. And that analytics is, again, done in our Air Voice system. So, and on top of that, the interface that you saw, that interface was created completely using App Express. So having 2 engineers work for a mere period of 2 weeks and developing an application like this shows the power that a full end-to-end platform can bring in developing a solution that's very quick, time to market, and being able to ingest that data, analyze that data, and represent that data in a way that's very convenient for the consumer. So now I'm going to walk through each of these pieces very quickly. The picture here shows our airport connectivity management platform. As you can see, it's a very simple dashboard. It provides our enterprise customers or operators a very convenient way to look at their connectivity. They can manage device provisioning, deprovisioning. They can manage the whole device life cycle. They can manage rate plans. And also, they can manage all the real-time reporting. The picture here is our application enablement platform. I was talking about Air Cloud. So this is a whole end-to-end solution that's integrated into the analytics platform and also has App Express, which is our application development platform on the top. Now, the cool thing about Air Voice which is our sensor data analytics platform, is that it not only supports sensor data, but you can also ingest non-sensor data. Example, if you're managing drivers in a company and their driving behavior, you also have to have data regarding the drivers. What is their ID number? What is their name? What is the phone number that you have to send a message to? So there has to be non-sensor data that has to live in parallel to the sensor data. As I said, App Express is very important because IoT applications interface is inherently different than other application interfaces. So we have made it very easy. You see the widgets at the bottom, or web components. Those are already provided by Aeris. Our customers can just take the code, and we don't provide just drag and drop, because drag and drop has its limitation. You cannot change them. We provide the code, so the customer can change and make the interface the way they want to look. Our telematics platform is enabling an application head unit, a smartphone app, and bringing the whole telematics solution, leveraging our platform that I showed earlier. Now, I showed you what we have done with our platform. Let's talk about what our customers have done. This is a fleet solution developed by a customer. It manages the end-to-end fleet lifecycle. This customer was able to develop a basic fleet solution for Asia market within a matter of 2.5 months with a few engineers. That's the power of the full solution. That shows that it's not just about faster time to market, it's about leveraging web components so that those components can be customized based on the need. I showed you earlier the map widget. They were able to take the same map widget and quickly show all the points where the truck is going and monitoring that truck. Now, on the complete other end, we have another customer that's developed the application for airline, flight data management, where it's the data that's coming from Wi-Fi when the plane lands. It's the data when the plane is up in the air using satellite. So it enables basically the customer to manage all the solutions and also sensor and non-sensor data. So to summarize, basically building an app using Aeris platform is very simple. You connect devices. You ingest the sensor data into the air cloud. You connect using the airport data management system, connectivity management system. And then you are able to bring in external application or export the data to external application using our APIs. You're able to quickly set the triggers and do analytics with Airvoice, and then build application using the app interface. And manage all, if you have hundreds and thousands of devices, you have to manage them. You can manage them very easily through a very simple airport, which is a connectivity management platform. So this is our interface for Air Cloud, which shows how the data models are managed. I don't have time to walk through all this, but we'll be glad to answer questions at the end. Setting up containers as to where the data goes is very easy in Air Cloud. You're able to quickly visualize your data. As a developer needs to do is not just the end application when they're developing. Then as the data is coming through, if there's a bug, they want to figure out whether it's an Air Cloud issue or end application issue. So they can see that through this interface. And finally, using App Express to develop the interface for their application. So in summary, Aeris provides a PaaS components to develop the IoT application. Our platform includes connectivity management, application enablement, analytics, and app interface. And we also have a telematics solution. I really want to thank everyone. And if you have any questions, I'll be glad to answer them.
And it looks like we do have time for a question or two. Carl, I'll put you on.
Are there questions? Dan.
There you go.
Here, quickly, from me, Dan.
Give me an example of a smart city use and an industrial use for the platform.
That's a very good question. We have customer in India that has leveraged, there's a called city in India that's being developed as a smart city. They're leveraging our solution for smart meter and smart parking. So there are many customers who are leveraging our solution, but those are the two solutions that we have. And last time at the IoT show, we actually demoed a smart parking solution. Our partner was right in the booth and showing that demo at exactly this event.
And that is all the time you have.
Thank you
Folks,
very much.
a round of applause, please.